Does the First Amendment protect hate speech in the United States? Breaking news. The question on many people's minds today is whether the First Amendment protects hate speech in the United States. This topic has gained attention recently due to ongoing debates about free speech and its limits. If you are curious about the legal landscape surrounding hate speech, you are in the right place. The First Amendment of the United States Constitution broadly protects freedom of speech. This includes speech that many individuals find offensive or hateful. In general, hate speech is protected under the First Amendment unless it falls into specific narrow categories of unprotected speech. These categories include incitement to imminent lawless action, true threats, or harassment that meets legal standards. The Supreme Court has consistently ruled that the government cannot prohibit speech simply because it is hateful or offensive. For example, hateful chants or expressions of hatred are often protected unless they directly incite violence or pose a clear and present danger. This means that while hate speech is socially condemned, it is usually not illegal under federal constitutional law. However, some laws and regulations attempt to limit certain types of speech online or in specific contexts. These efforts aim to protect minors or vulnerable groups. For instance, recent Supreme Court decisions have upheld laws requiring age verification to restrict minors' access to sexually explicit content. This may incidentally limit some protected speech for adults but is justified under intermediate scrutiny. Additionally, proposals like California's Senate Bill 771 aim to hold social media platforms accountable for amplifying unlawful content targeting protected groups. Such proposals raise concerns about potentially limiting lawful speech and conflicting with First Amendment protections. In summary, the First Amendment offers strong protection for hate speech in the United States. Exceptions exist only for speech that directly incites violence or constitutes threats. Efforts to regulate speech, particularly online, must carefully balance protecting individuals and groups from harm while respecting constitutional free speech rights.